Imagine a sister comes here, yeah, and she just comes into the house or she's outside the house and I see her and she says, Assalamu alaikum. Like, I might see a niqabi sister and I might feel a bit different to like how I feel about someone who's not wearing niqab. As a Muslim guy, I'm talking. Just because I feel a bit different or surprised that, oh, there's a niqabi here, does that mean I'm racist? The problem is that with a woman, you're being empathetic. You're like, oh, you know, she's a woman. She's generally going to feel like, yeah, we should cover. This seems like a man problem. And I think that you're not being empathetic towards the man. Sometimes, like normal guys, they don't know how to be around women generally. Some non-Muslims, they don't know what their barriers or how they should act around niqabis. Like, for example, imagine that I'm just like a no non-Muslim. My whole life I've lived as non-Muslim. Everyone's coming on the bus. Hi, hello, how are you? This, I'm talking. And then a woman in niqab comes and I'm like, whoa, like, I don't even know how to react to this. Just because I don't know how to react, that does not mean I'm racist. But you have already painted me as racist. You just made me a judgment racist. Right, and it reminds me of this, you know, the hadith Prophet ﷺ where there was a Sahabi who he was basically this guy who was about to be killed in a war, and he said the Shahada, and then this guy, he killed him, and they told the Prophet ﷺ, and he's like, why did you kill him? He said the Shahada. Why did you kill him? He said, oh, he just said it to save his life. And the Prophet ﷺ said, did you know what was in his heart? And obviously the Sahabi doesn't know what's in his heart. Just like you don't know what's in the bus driver's heart. But what's happening is you're coming to a conclusion about the bus driver based on what you're seeing. Now, I'm not saying he's not racist. It could be that the bus driver is extremely racist. He hates you, he hates niqab, all this. But I'm saying you don't know. So I'm saying our general principle as Muslims is actually to think good of others, to think good of people. Okay, unless they give you a reason not to or something like that, right? But just because he reacted differently to you, that doesn't make it racist automatically, yeah? He actually might not know how to act with you, how to react with you. Is it normal for him to be interacting with niqabi women? It might not be normal. It might be abnormal. So he's got himself, like you're saying you feel uncomfortable. He might feel uncomfortable, like, I don't know how to deal with this person, or I don't know how to speak. I don't know what to do with this person because I don't even know what this person's about. Like, how are they? Why are they covered? I don't get it. In a situation like this, your level of judgment is this high. Your level of empathy is like non-existent. And I'm saying if you switch that around, I'm not saying you take your judgment all out of it. If someone's swearing at your child or someone's being rude or something, you have to like, yeah, this person is aggressive, right? But I'm saying I would actually turn down the judgment. So I'm not going to judge people. Are they racist? Are they not racist? Just because, oh, look at the way she... Because I'm saying I'm someone with a long beard. I'm someone who wears a thobe and this and that. Non-Muslim world, I'm out there as well. I see how people look at me. I see how things are. But I don't assume, okay, this person's racist. This person hates Muslims. This, like that assumption, I don't know. I don't have the ability to look in their hearts, right? So what I'm saying to you is that next time I go on a bus, if I was you, I would be like not seeing a racist. I would not be seeing a man. I would not be seeing a bus driver. I would see a human being there. And I'll be like, okay, I'm about to get on a bus now. There's a human being here. And by the way, I'm a bit weird. Like imagine if I was a guy who had tattoos all over my face, yeah? And then everywhere I go, people look at my face. I can't be like, these guys are racist, man. Like they keep looking at, why are they looking at my face? Well, you're wearing something which is completely abnormal in society. You got tattoos all over your face. Obviously, people are going to look at your face. Now, that doesn't mean they don't like you. That doesn't mean they hate you. That doesn't mean anything. It just means that you have something on your face which attracts attention. They're going to look at you. And then maybe they don't know how to react with you. For example, if someone meets a very disabled person, yeah, like, you know, their face is deformed or they don't speak properly. You as a sister, you might not know how to interact with this person. Like, should I just be normal with this person? Should I be slightly different? Should I like tell them to repeat what they said? Like, how do I don't know. Does that mean you're racist? Does that mean you're prejudiced against disabled people? So what I would advise for this situation, I want you to test this out, by the way. Next time you go on a bus, is I want you to get onto the bus thinking there's a human being, and I want you to raise the empathy to the level where you imagine I was the bus driver who's not racist, but I came across someone who had like 50 piercings on their eye or 50 tattoos on their face. Like, how would I react?